Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Lightroom, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Lightroom, first, visit the official Adobe website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email and password. If you do not have an Adobe ID, click on Create an account to set one up. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the account creation process. Once logged in, navigate to the Plans section. Choose the Lightroom plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on Start Free Trial or Buy Now as applicable. Enter your payment details to confirm the purchase or trial. Once the transaction is complete, you will be directed to your account page. From there, download the Adobe Creative Cloud app by clicking on the download link. Once the download is complete, open the Creative Cloud installer. Follow the installation prompts to install the Creative Cloud app on your computer. After the installation finishes, launch the Creative Cloud app. Log in using your Adobe ID and password if prompted. In the Creative Cloud interface, find Adobe Lightroom in the list of apps. Click on the Install button next to Lightroom to download the software. Once Lightroom is installed, launch the application from the Creative Cloud app. When Lightroom opens, it will prompt you to sign in. Enter your Adobe ID email and password once again. After signing in, Lightroom will be activated automatically. You'll now have access to all the features provided by your subscription plan. Explore the interface and make sure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Adobe Lightroom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.